all-time favorite song. And to many people's surprise, it isn't won by the Beatles. Instead, his top choice comes from the golden age of Hollywood. Cheek to Cheek, the 1930s classic performed by Fred Astaire and written by American composer Irving Berlin. Nearly a century since its debut, the song remains a timeless standard. And for McCartney, it holds a special place for its flawless musical structure. Speaking on his podcast, McCartney, A Life in Lyrics, the legendary musician explained that Cheek to Cheek had a direct influence on the Beatles' beloved ballad, Here, There, and Everywhere. He admired the way Berlin's song flows so naturally, beginning with a serene opening before moving through an elegant bridge that effortlessly returned to its original melody. McCartney has often described this sort of self-contained musical resolution as one of the most satisfying tricks in songwriting, a structure he tried to emulate in his own work. By the mid-1960s, McCartney's approach to composition had become remarkably sophisticated. He was only 24 when Revolver was released, yet already exploring deeper emotional and musical ideas. Reflecting on Here, There, and Everywhere, he has said that he loved the way the song's melody feels like a gentle journey, as if walking down a path and suddenly finding yourself back at the beginning, but with a sense of wonder rather than repetition. It's not a full circle, he explained, but a kind of musical illusion, a return that somehow feels like a new beginning. For McCartney, that quality gives the song its magic. He has described how the tune creates the impression of standing in a familiar place while seeing it anew. The scenery looks the same, yet everything feels transformed. Even as the Beatles evolved toward a more modern pop sound, traces of older influences like Cheek to Cheek often lingered in their music. And it wasn't just McCartney who recognized the beauty of Here, There, and Everywhere. John Lennon once told him it was the strongest melody on Revolver, and, years later, called it one of his personal favorites from the entire Beatles catalog.